On the third holiday season since the start of the pandemic, COVID cases and hospitalizations are on the rise again. NBC's Sam Brock with more on that and what doctors say you can now do to stay healthy as we head toward New Year's gatherings.
This Christmas, families are looking to exchange presents, not illness, as the triple-demic intersects with time together.
They're indoors, they're close together, there's a lot of hugging and everything going on, and so people are getting sick and getting infections from each other.
Over the last 2 weeks, COVID-related hospitalizations are up 7% and deaths up 15%. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Hani Atala is keeping an eye on COVID hospitalizations at Miami's Jackson Health, one of the largest healthcare systems in the country.
That number is essentially quadrupled into the mid to high 90s and is now starting to trend back down.
At the hospitals that make up the Texas Medical Center in Houston, those numbers are also rising. COVID hospitalizations more than doubling between mid-November and mid-December. While at Mount Sinai in New York, they were also up sizably. As globally, cases are surging.
China right now is seeing just an influx of cases. Does that create fertile ground for another variant to develop and affect us here in the U.S.?
We certainly saw it with COVID, with Alpha and Delta and Omicron, and so when those next strains come, we're going to go back to the science and see if we can develop monoclonal antibodies to treat it to make sure our population is safe.
Experts say there are steps you can take to stay safe as the holiday season winds down. Assume you're flying with passengers who are sick, so mask up, COVID test before returning to work or school, and keep medications handy if you can find them.
I'm buying fever reducer, pain reducer for my nieces because my sister can't find any.
As flu and RSV figures may be slowly creeping down, the holidays still present a massive test. Sam Brock, NBC News, Miami.